Children, welcome to the new session. So today we are going to solve exercise 6.2 10th sum. So here a quadrilateral ABCD. What do you mean by a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure ABCD whose diagonals intersect at O. The diagonals are intersecting at O. And they gave that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO, or even we can just cross multiply and write AO by OC is equals to BO by DO. So this is what the given condition. What we want to prove? We want to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So what is the property of a trapezium? When we say about a trapezium means any two sides should be parallel. So if we prove that, we can say the given figure is a trapezium. So for that, first what we are going to do is, first we will do some construction. So now first construct EO parallel to AB. So this is O. I am going to construct E, that is EO parallel to AB. So this is the first step. So now take the triangle ABC. ABC. See, take this triangle alone. So take this triangle ABC. So here OE is parallel to AB. OE is parallel to AB. If these two lines are parallel, so now apply BPT. What will happen? AO by OC will be equal to BE by EC. Right? So first I have taken this triangle ABC. Since OE is parallel to AB, I have applied BPT and proved that AO by OC is equals to BE by EC by BPT. Let's name this equation number 1. But already they have given them condition, no? So see, they here gave that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. Or if we reshuffle, AO by OC is equals to BO by DO. It is already given. So let's take the given. AO by OC is equals to BO by DO. Take this as equation number 2. Now compare equation 1 and equation 2. So when we compare, just check for LHS. AO by OC, AO by OC. So LHS is equal. So what about the RHS? RH also will be equal, no? So from these two equations, can we say that BE by EC will be equal to BO by DO? So we have compared these two equations and proving that BO by DO is equals to BE by EC. So here these two are proportional, they are equal. So what we can say that if these two are equal means what about the sides? So that OE should be parallel to DC. This OE will be parallel to DC. So here we have proved that OE is parallel to DC. But already what we know, AB is parallel to OE, right? So now we proved OE is parallel to DC. Now can I say that AB will be parallel to DC? Yeah, we can state that. See here, OE is parallel to AB and OE is parallel to DC. So that implies AB will be parallel to DC. If any two sides are parallel, then what is that figure? That figure is nothing but a trapezium. So therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Hence we have proved. So let's go for a recap. See, so they gave a quadrilateral, it is a four-sided figure, and they gave that the diagonals are intersecting at O, and they gave a condition AO by OC is equals to BO by DO. We want to prove that it is a trapezium. So first step, we constructed OE. Then we took the triangle ABC. Since OE and AB are parallel, if these two sides are parallel means we can just apply BPT and state AO by OC is equals to BE by EC, and already they gave that AO by OC is equals to BD by DO. We compared these two and proved that BO by DO is equals to BE by EC. So based on these conditions, we proved the sides were parallel and proved the given figure is a trapezium. Hence the sum. Thank you.